Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to draw a table with Pen tool. Yeah, you can do that. You first need to come to Insert tab and then in the table group, click to expand the table menu. And here, by clicking on Draw Table, you see your cursor converts into a pencil side. Then press the left button on your mouse tab and draw a table of your own size. For example, I draw like this and now I want to draw column. So I click on this, double click on this and draw a column like this, double click here and draw a column like this, double click here and draw a column like this. Now I want to put a row, so I double click here and draw the row like this, and then I draw another row like this, and now I want to split this cell into two cells, so I can do it like this, or I can create some other cell within it. So it has the freedom of splitting the cells into different subcells. I can even draw a cell over here, or I can draw a cell anywhere in any other cell. So I can split a cells, or if I make a mistake over here, I need to come here to erase button. I select this and then I click on this line so it is removed. Now go back to draw table. In order to convert the pencil symbol back to cursor, I need to click here and click on the table button. This is called table button. If I put the pencil on the table button and tap on my mouse, it goes out of the drawing option. And thanks for watching Safi Mixed.